This measles rubella campaign has been launched in our state since yesterday, that is 8th of February, and this campaign will go on till 20th of February. Under this campaign, we are vaccinating all children in the age group of 9 months till less than 15 years. That means they should have completed 9 months, but not completed 15 years. So this whole age group children, we are going to give 1 dose of measles rubella vaccine within this period. I am the health officer of Urban Health Center, Dr. Pritam Naik. We are having the campaign today in Mary Immaculate High School. So we are giving this injection to all the girls right from KG till 9th standard. So 10th standard is out because they have already completed 15 years. So all the girls will be vaccinated today. We are having a very good response. And the cause of this reason of giving this vaccine is to eliminate measles and control rubella. These two diseases are viral diseases and they have a lot of complications. So with measles, if the child suffers from measles, the child can then get malnutrition, vitamin E deficiency, which may lead to blindness, can get pneumonia, can get diarrhea, can even get encephalopathy. So all these are very dreaded complications which lead to even deaths of children. So by giving this one vaccine, we are protecting them against this disease. And rubella, the disease is not very harmful. This is a mild infection. But if a pregnant lady suffers from rubella within first 3 months of her pregnancy, then the child who is going to be born to her may be with many abnormalities. That is congenital malformations. Like the child could be blind, having a congenital cataract, could be deaf, could be having a heart defect, like a hole in the heart, could even have liver and spleen abnormalities, even a small head with a mental retardation. So all these complications could be there in that child. This is known as a congenital rubella syndrome, which is a very dangerous complication, because once such child is born, it's a burden not only to the family but also to the community. So this is the reason why we are protecting them against rubella. So this one vaccine, measles rubella, will be protecting them against 2 diseases. So under this campaign, we are giving them 1 dose within this period, and then later on this measles rubella vaccine will be introduced in our routine vaccination schedule. So the babies from the month of March, the babies will be routinely given this measles rubella vaccine instead of the plain measles vaccine which we are giving now. So this will be replacing the plain measles vaccine. For our Panjim area, my target is around 15,000, roughly. Because not only children from Panjim, but our schools are attracting children even from other areas, peripheral areas. So that because of that, our target is around 15,000. Not many, but cases are reported to us, because every month we have to send a report how many measles cases we have detected or how many rubella cases. But rubella is being a very mild, hardly anything is reported to us. But measles, sometimes they are reported, because giving 1 dose of measles may not give 100% protection. So we are giving 2 doses of measles. First we give plain measles, then we give MMR in Goa. But now under the campaign, even all over the country, they were not giving like this. So now they will be giving 2 doses of MR to all children throughout India. In Goa, then we will be giving 1 dose of MR. This is from March after the campaign. 1 dose of MR to a 9-month-old child. And then at the age of 15 months, we give a dose of MMR in Goa. MMR is not given all over the country. So like this, we will be giving also 2 doses to all children. We have already been doing it, but now henceforth it will be MR and MMR in Goa. So 1 week? Not 1 week. This is till the end of February we are doing it. And if suppose any children remain, then we may even extend for first week of March if any children remain. But we have planned in such a way that we are trying to cover all the schools, all the Anganwadis, and even construction sites, etc. If there are any children noticed, we have made arrangement to bring them to our center. At my center, at Urban Health Center, every day one team is there. So every day any children can come to Urban Health Center. We are vaccinating till 3 o'clock. It starts at morning 9 o'clock till 3 o'clock, and Saturday till 12 o'clock. So every day one team is there in my Urban Health Center. So anybody who has missed in the schools or anywhere else can come there. And it will be open till 28th of February.